What?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing with a scuba.
I'm your friend.
I know, but you're also a goober. I'm stealing it! I'm stealing it! Maybe some more laundry. He won't find me. He will never find me. He'll never catch me. Never. Never catch me. He may actually catch me, but it's worth a shot. What?
I said listen.
Yeah.
You're right.
Get up, bro.
Don't you are me.
No!
Yo, so you are wrong.
He's not close to me.
I found you.
No, you didn't.
Hey, where am I at?
Get jokes.
Hey guys! I get the going. I'm just kidding. I was kidding you.
I don't know how that goose works.
Come back to spawn, people.
Heck no. No. Oh no! Oh, I thought I was gonna. He ain't never gonna find me. Oh no.
Where are you? Are you? Next to me. Why are they a nest of bumblebees? That's odd. Ha ha. Is that it? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing nothing to you.
I'm gonna run! He'll never find me here. He will never find me here with his tiny, tiny brain. No, I want to grab on the chicken. Gotta sneak beat it. Oh, I used to be able to grab onto it. Oh.
Come back this blood, please.
Hmm? Yeah, I guess we just spawned.
I gave up. Let's make a video of making the mob boss.
No. I'm running away from
Yes.
this kid.
Yes.
Stupid. One down, kid. 21. Two. I'm flying. Stupid. I'm going to skip him. I'm gonna go to the whatever it is. Why is he calling me? Not expecting that. Oh, don't mind that. Don't know how I'm not dead. Run! Ha! I thought that would teleport me somewhere else. Where is this game? Is he even here? No, I don't think so. Oh, I'm not even in the code. Headset probably died.
What do you mean run? No! No! Okay.
What's that?
No, please don't do this. Please. Ow. Why are you killing me? Please.
Oh wait, is friendly fire on in this lobby?
How do you get the pineapple hat?
Hey, what is that?
It's a throwable spear. Oh my god.
No, it's mine.
That's a normal one.
Wait, what? Wait, what? How do I get the pineapple?
That's a throwable spear.
Come to
You know what? I'm
couch
just
if you
gonna
wanna know how to get the
put this in my
pineapple hat.
stash. I'm sorry.
Go to couch
No,
if
I
you
wouldn't.
wanna know how to get the pineapple
You're
hat.
good.
Go to couch if you wanna know how to get the pineapple hat.
That's a
Everyone wants to
golden
know how
one.
to get the
I got your
pineapple hat. Go
purple
to couch.
golden four-leaf clover.
Did you want to get the pineapple hat?
Where is he?
I'm golden four-leaf clover, see?
Couch.
It's
Beat
fine.
him.
Golden four-leaf clover, guys!
The code is
Explode him.
V.
Wait, does this work? There's an explosion?
Look at my golden four-leaf clover!
Probably not. That's not golden. That's purple.
VSGA.
I have that too.
No, it is golden.
That's purple.
Yeah, I have a full bag of them because I have a lot.
Can I have one?
No, actually, it's a golden four-leaf clover, huge, and it has a
Can I have one?
color on it. This is regular.
Please?
Golden.
Can someone buy me a
Yes,
container?
Please?
Yeah, you can
Why
have
do you
one.
need it?
Clean.
Thank you,
Take
dude.
both.
I can't. My hands
Or
are-
just take that.
He's red watch. Kill him.
Wait. Does anyone here want to go on a private code and does anyone here want to do a movie?
Me.
I want to do a movie.
Who said it?
I want to
You
do a
want to
movie.
go to couch?
What?
This is
You
the
want to make a movie? It's friendly. Cause me friend.
Wait, what
Double
if
E.
Wait, FFY.
Wait, what was it?
I'm Cosmic
Wait, I
Friend.
want friend me for a movie.
Okay. No, just friend me. Friend me for a movie. I'm
Cosmic
Cosmic Ren. Cosmic
I'm
Ren.
Oreo Blender.
Whoa, bro! I really. Wait, who owns this? Does anyone here own this robot? Does anyone here own this? Look,
Someone please help me, I'm stuck in sewers. No.
face?
Yellow red's here.
Please, I need help. I'm stuck in sewers.
Okay, did anyone hear Did anyone else want to do it? Yay! I'm here, thank you!
I don't have any items, but I just want to. I just came down here to keep you company.
I tried to get out with the plunger, but I can't. I don't have another one.
Hold up. Oh, it's so hard to see. There's no light. If we find a pipe, oh, we can break
SSI.
those blocks and then we
Okay,
can find another.
SSY, I'm Julian.
What? Where are you?
Please revive me.
Please.
I just need to be.
Thank you. Yeah, what is this place? It's that place?
Wait a minute. Back up, everybody. Back up, everybody. Back up. I'm trying to mind you.
Everybody,
back
I'm
up.
new to this game.
Back
I'm
up,
new
back
to-
up,
I'm new
back
to
up.
this game.
Please back up.
I'm new to this game.
Can you revive me now? I was trying to see if I get any resources.
Everybody, I'm new to this game.
You suck. Please.
Okay, I'll revive you.
You're in a YouTube video. I'm looking at you.
Where, what, who, so?
All of you are in a YouTube
Yo,
video.
what is this? What's this?
Don't touch it, no! Oh my. Ah!
It didn't stab me.
I died.
I can't see.
Come here. I'm scared. I don't know what to do with the game.
Hold up.
What do we do with this game?
Don't move. Okay, you're good.
I can't see. I can't see.
Oh no!
Help me.
No!
Oh my god.
So revive him.
Yes. That's it.
Big clump of metal. Oh, is this gold useful or broken?
Is what?
I found gold. Is this useful?
You can sell it. You can sell it.
Is it still worth a lot?
Yeah. Couple hundred. Couple
Yo,
hundred.
hold on.
Why is this so? Rex, if you're seeing this, I'm saving this for you.
Ooh, ew, there's toilet paper. Everyone, I can't see.
Yeah, no, because you dookied yourself.
I
That's
can't
why you need that.
see.
Why you need that? You dookied yourself. Oh, they're old. Oh, how are they alive?
It's a bullet.
Oh! No! Please revive me, dude. Please revive me. Yo, please.
Yep.
It's for a video.
Wait.
Ah! No!
I did die again.
No, wait, don't revive me yet. Oh, you serious? I'm dead. See? That's why. How am I alive? He missed. He actually missed me.
It's the power of the stamina. Power? No! I don't have anything. It's the power of stamina.
It's empty. Got no ammo.
You have like 3.
Okay, bye.
No!
Everyone, I'm in sewers! Me Frog, where are you?
No way, I just did that.
Hi, Me Frog.
Rex, I want to say this so bad. I don't know if I can make it though.
Can we play in a different server?
Nobody's with me. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I think I should go back. I can't though. Frick. Okay, there's a one of Rex's other favorite. It's his other favorite item. A blingy bling. Run! Dude. I want both of these. But for you, Rex. And then I get disconnected. Come on, come on. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Am I think I'm not gonna. I think I'm here. I may be able to make it. No! I think it's too narrow. No, too wide. No! Oh, dude. Dude.
Get on your walk.
My arms are gonna be sore tomorrow. But at least Rex is gonna have his whoopee cushion. That's all that matters. Boom. Wasn't it this way? Yeah. Oh my god. Dude!
Yo guys, I'm doing a giveaway.
RPG! Gook!
We gotta go.
You guys not know that I could do that?
You lie!
Yo, Blue. Can you buy me the sticky bomb? Guys, minigame,
Can you tell me how to get free
minigame.
company coins? Can you teach me how to get free
minigame,
company
minigame.
coins?
Come here.
Okay.
Put your hands up and give me all the weapons!
No, I don't want 50. I want 10,000.
You have to go mining. In there and mine the gold.
I want to give away.
No,
I want to give away.
no,
I
tell
wanna
me
give away.
faster
I wanna give
way.
away. I want to give
Go
away.
give me them immediately.
I can't.
Wait, I think I have one saved.
Guys, you want to play a minigame? Whoever
Oh,
dies,
let me try a trick.
whoever doesn't die,
You're on a
wins
YouTube video.
something.
There's one right there.
No, wait, no, don't spend the money.
I need to look up.
I just want to win something, please.
What the heck? Yo, what?
Yo, guys, I'm doing a giveaway. For the giveaway, everyone get your back
I
ready.
broke my
Get ready for a
headset.
giveaway.
You're going
No.
to your body. You're going to your body.
Guys, get ready for giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway in sync.
No,
Who
purple.
wants to go to the
Wait,
circle?
grab one of these. Grab
Get
it.
ready for. Get
Okay,
ready
look
for.
at the other one.
Who wants to go to the?
I didn't even know
Look at that one.
No backpack, sir. He's not doing the giveaway. No backpack.
Now you look at it.
Guys are ready for giveaway.
Now look, check out these. See, look, they're
Stop it. Stop. Oh no, he's trying to build something. Never mind. He's not part of
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry.
No, baby. No, I wanted the Tetris.
Everybody that used the backpack is getting banned right now.
Dump out everything from his backpack.
Bro, this is a public code. You can't ban anybody.
I want one.
I got all the items. All the items from his backpack. Yes, he wants one. You didn't get an item.
Shut up.
I didn't get an item. I'm gonna go to the circus, guys. I'm gonna go to the circus and
I didn't get an item. Shut up.
Shut your mouth. Yeah.
Single idol.
I'm going down to sewers.
Someone buy me a weapon.
Alright, nobody kill me.
Yeah,
Someone buy me a weapon. Oh, can I have the weapon?
Twice.
Okay, guys, I think
Can
that's it.
someone
Guys.
give me- Guys, how do you got this?